how to create a free website. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a free website using Google Sites. It is the best platform that you can create your website onto. It is very simple, and it is also very authentic, and it is also very professional as well. So let's get into it. This is basically sites.google.com, and you also have a lot of website builders these days. Some basically offer features for money, some are free, but Google Sites is the simplest and most easiest one of them all, and it is also very professional. So how you can basically get started, just when you come onto Google Sites, here you can see you have your options. This is your you can start a new site with this option, or you can just go on with a template. When you visit their template gallery, here you can see you have a different kind of templates. You have work templates, you have small business templates, you have basically education templates as well. So just go on and select a template for yourself, because if you're a beginner, it will be easier for you to continue with the template and to design everything in an existing designed template, other than basically adding everything with your own insight. Because if you are not a good designer, if you don't have a good eye for designing, if you don't know where to put what to put where, so it's better to go on with a template. Select a template and then just go on and customize it. This is a website that I've opened earlier and I've created earlier, and this is from a template of this restaurant. So let me show you guys around it. Okay, so this is basically the website, and this is going to be the styling options of this website. So if I want to add different things into my website, here are the options. Here are the content blocks. Here is basically a collapsible group, table of contents, image, carousel, button, divider, spacer, social links, and everything that I want to add onto my website. If I want to change anything, I'm just going to click on this and I'm going to change it. Like I can edit this. Then I have pages. If I want to add a different page, I'm just going to click on new page and then I'm going to add it. If I want to add something else, like full page embedded, like I want to embed a page from somewhere else, if I want to add new menu section, if I want to add a new link, I'm just going to click on these. If you want to change the theme, you have the options of theme here. You can go on and preview your website from this option. You can get a link after you publish your website, and you can share your website with others from this option. You have your website settings right here. You have your mode. Your navigation is going to be, your brand images are going to be here. You can upgrade your logo, your favicon as well. You have your custom domains around here. You can basically make a domain for yourself. Just click on this and set up a domain. Then you have your analytics, which are going to be here. You can basically enable the Google Analytics, and you're going to find all your analytics of what is happening on your website. And this is how basically it works. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care and bye bye.